Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Alicia. If you're watching me for the first time, hi. So today I'm going to share this mini Purple haul with you. These are the skincare things I got from Purple and I want to share with you guys. So if you're on a budget and you're looking for a skincare product, this is your video. Let's get started. What I got is this Biotique Bio Coconut Whitening and Brightening Cream. This is a really good cream. It retails for ₹199 and you always get this on discount for 25% off always on Nykaa and Purple too. So I got this I guess for second time, and this really, I am a dry skin type, so this really moisturizes my skin and I love this cream. As you can see, the consistency is really soft and it's really nice. I love this cream, and this is my second one I guess. I finished this and I got this one again. So I love this cream. So the next product I got is this Good Vibes Jojoba facial oil, and this retails for ₹199 and you get 10 ml of product. So yeah, and this comes with this dropper and a cap, and Good Vibes products are really good, but I don't really love this product, but it's fine. So another thing I got is from Good Vibes is this Cherry Blossom Hydrating face wash, and you can see by the bottle how much I love this product. This smells amazing. This really cleans your skin and I love this product. It's really not harsh on your skin, but it does the job good. So yeah, it's no parabens, cruelty free, and I love this product. I'm going to buy this again. So the next thing I got is from Biotique is this Biotique BioSeed Revitalizing Anti-Fatigue Eye Gel. I love this product. This just takes away all the puffiness in your eyes, and I just apply this. This is a really small bottle. This is also for $199 and I got this for rupees. I got this for ₹129. So this is a very small. Just look at the packaging and look at the bottle. This is the only drawback I feel, but this feels really nice on my under eye and it just gives a cooling effect, and I guess my dark circles are little. I would say if you want some skincare to work, you need to apply them and you need to be consistent. So if I'll just let you know what are my review. If you want a detailed review, you can just let me know in the comment section below. And this is a nice product I feel. So another thing I got from Biotique is this Morning Nectar. This is also a moisturizer, visibly flawless skin moisturizer for all skin types, and I feel this is the most amazing moisturizer of Biotique. This retails for $199 and I got this for ₹149 or something. So this is amazing because it has a consistency of, you know, a watery consistency, and it's not like very heavy on your skin. So this is good for makeup and all, before makeup. So it's not like really heavy on your skin. So this is nice. If you apply it lightly, it will not feel very heavy on your skin. And I got this lip balm with Biotique free because I ordered many products from, and it has something like order this much and you'll get this lip balm free. This is lip balm from Biotique Bio Almond, whatever. So I don't like this product very much, but it's fine. Like, it does the job, but not a huge fan. So next thing I got is this Good Vibes Vanilla Deep Moisturizing face cream. I know I have ordered a lot of moisturizers because I have a dry skin type and nothing really works. So I was just trying out, and I gave one to my sister also. So Good Vibes Vanilla Deep Moisturizing face cream. This smells amazing. This smells of vanilla, and I've still used that, not much because I was using both Biotique ones, but this is really deep moisturizing. This is heavy on your skin, so I don't feel oily skin people will like this, but still no parabens, no sulfate, cruelty free. All the products here are, I guess. So yeah, this is really nice, and this retails for ₹225. Yeah, this I don't know why I got this. I think it was on discount. I really like this as this is deep moisturizing. As you can see, this really you can feel the heaviness on your skin, and this smells amazing. There are many variants if you want. There is banana and every other thing, but I like vanilla essence more. And this is really deep. You can feel the moisturizer on your face. So the last thing I got is this Bayam Ayurveda Long Lightening Face Mist, and this is a nice product. I won't say bad about it. It really makes you feel refreshed after applying this, as it has this finely fine spray which really evenly distributes the product. And this retails for rupees 199, but I got this on discount for rupees 106. And this is a really nice product. I just don't like the smell of the long, but I ordered it, so it's fine. You can choose other things, I guess. But this is a nice face mist, and I can purchase this again. So that's all for this haul, and that's it. I would just say that you should wait for discounts to come and you can get better deals. So yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video, and if you want any detailed review of any product in this video, you can let me know in the comment sections below, and I'll do that for you. Thank you so much for watching. Love you, and I'll see you all in my next video.